famous African American I researched was Apollo Creed / Carl Weathers from the Rocky movies. Apollo starred in other shows and played pro football for the Oakland Raiders. Apollo was born on January 14, 1948 and is presently 68 years old. Carl Weathers played football. He also had a role in Rocky movies. He was Rocky's trainer. He has about he has had about 3 wives. The most recent one was Jennifer Peterson. Carl Weathers played football for the Oakland Raiders. He has 2 sons, Jason and Matthew Weathers. Apollo was Apollo Creed was killed by another boxer named Ivan Drago. Ivan Drago was an infantry captain. Apollo is famous because he was in the Rocky movies. He also was an NFL player for the Oakland Raiders. His first important dates were 1976 Oscar-winning award. His other important date was Thanksgiving Day, 1976, when he challenged Rocky to a rematch. Apollo Creed died in a fight with Ivan Drago. He was brave to fight Ivan Drago. He overcame boxing by defeating undefeated champions. In his personal life, he overcame 3 divorces to finally be happily married. Apollo overcame losses in football in real life and movies to become a successful movie star. In conclusion, I learned that Apollo Creed and his son in the movie is named Adonis Creed. However, his sons are named Matthew and Jason Weathers. He was unfortunately killed by Ivan Drago. He trained Rocky Balboa. And an interesting fact was he dressed as Uncle Sam and George Washington. Apollo Creed was an undefeated boxer. He also had one loss, which was when he died. Carl Weathers was a very successful African American that we should remember.